Hello again to you guys. We're back here again on our little nook. Today I'm going to show you something different. Ako, it's already familiar. It's ubiquitous. Um, but this one is have a little twist. Yeah. Okay. You see that? It's a war pickup by Hobby Fans. There are three colors for this. I only got two. Unfortunately, I still haven't got the red one with some air-to-air missile pod. But anyway, I just show you um, two colors. Okay, for now, I'll show you this desert brown pickup. It's, of course, it's a Toyota. See that this is the Toyota LC pickup, right? So you can see it's in 64 scale. There's so much detail in it. I think this one, the tailgate is an opening. You can see the Toyota script is very legible. Tampo printed tail lights. Separate piece for the bumper. Also for the spare tire here. Some snorkel. And this Arabic calligraphy here, and it's also weathered already, and separate headlight pieces and grill, also this separate piece of wiper, and look at that mirror, side mirror. It even has this is mirrored also, the side mirror, and well detailed interior, crystal clear windows, and I did not expect that this hood also opens. Yes, so you can see that indestructible engine. None ever comes close to a Toyota when it comes to durability, survivability. It was even if featured in Top Gear, where this trio put the Toyota Hilux in many what you call this extreme conditions. That still starts. So that's why this freedom fighters chose this brand for their what you call this as their makeshift battle tank. You see, you can see how man man invents, right? What there's a saying. What's that saying? Uh, Necessity is the mother of invention. Yes, and that this one embodies that. You can see, huh? Very nice. I show this to you because I think it's it's unique. No other diecast brand made this. Only this brand, Hobby Fans. So when I saw it, oh my goodness! Because I'm also a fan of war machines, uh, like tanks, aircraft. Whenever, as long as it's 64, uh, we should get it. We should have it. So this one also is not an exception. So, ooh, I'm so smitten. Okay, I also have the other one here. It's only in um, what color is this? Like a bluish gray, something like that. But anyway, it's also well appointed. You can see the weathering. This this how this vehicle is used in the desert, and look at that. Look at those anti-aircraft guns. I think it's a 50 caliber. I'm not sure what kind of guns are these, but this can take down any aircraft. This is enough to take down any aircraft. Wow. Only thing missing is the red red pickup, but this one is 2, so that will make it 3. I have to get that missile, the one with the missile pod. Very beautiful. What do you think, guys? This is a must-have, right? For any pickup or Toyota enthusiast, this is a must-have. Or any war machine enthusiast, or this is a must-have. Thank you again for watching, guys. See you again for another another unboxing and review, and what else, model impression. Yes, I'm almost lost for words for this. By the way, I forgot to mention that this is the chassis is also die-cast. Yes. You can see also the details below, the lip spring, the chassis, the propeller shaft. It's really well appointed. You will not regret having this in your collection. Also, the muffler is there. It's also weathered. Wow. Okay. Again, guys. Adios. Bye bye.